A very big hello to all my wonderful COMEDK aspirants. I hope you are great. So the round 1 allotment results have come and now it's decision time. You have to take decision, and I had made a separate video on different consequences on the different decisions that you're gonna take. Please watch it. It's going to help you out. If you have not seen it, I'll just show you the thumbnail. This is the thumbnail out there. Watch it. It is going to be helpful. Now talking about the next thing which is out there is that COMEDK has been very punctual or regular about the dates that they have given for each things out there. Now if you're someone who have got a college and if you are missing out on the decision making process out there, you might be out of the counseling process, and I do not want you to face that, okay, just because you didn't know this. So there are certain things that you should be knowing, and I'm going to discuss about that right in this particular video. And one very important thing, you would have to report to the college also, about which we would be discussing in this video. Something that is equally important is to motivate all the other champions out there who didn't get any college. So the mountain may seem high, but the view from the top is worth the climb. So make sure you are putting in that last effort to make a proper choice filling list. Okay, put that effort to make a proper choice filling list and see the magic out there. You might be allotted with a college, but you have to put in effort. So please do that. We all are here with you. If at all you need any help, do let us know. So the round 1 allotment is available from 20th July. I hope you know that. Okay, and it would be available until 1st of August, 4 p.m. This time, be very particular with this thing. Now, candidates who are allotted a seat should make a decision before the last date, that is 1st of August. So, before 1st of August, make sure you are taking a decision of accept and freeze, accept and upgrade, reject and upgrade, or reject and withdraw. Else, you will be losing the seat and will be out of the COMEDK counseling. If at all you're thinking that I'll do it on 2nd of August, then probably you will not be having any chance to make a decision out there because you would be already out of the COMEDK counseling process. Now, candidates who are not allotted any seat in round 1 will be automatically eligible for what? Round 2, the next round out there. So please don't be sad about it. And round 2 is for KKR students, Kalyan Karnataka region children. So if you're someone who is from general merit category, my dear children, don't be worried. You have the other rounds coming in there. Now, the total fee is to be paid in single transaction if candidate makes a decision of accept and freeze, accept and upgrade, or reject and upgrade. In these 3 cases I have explained in the video, you would have to pay the fee, my dear children. Suppose later on you're cancelling the seat, you will get back your money. Don't be worried about anything. Or suppose basically you're looking for you're rejecting a college and the next, you're accepting a college and then looking for an upgrade, and the next round you are getting a college with lesser fees, then your money will be refunded. Whatever amount that you have paid extra would be refunded. If the next college has higher fees, you would have to pay that little amount extra. Okay, so make sure you know that. Same goes with reject and upgrade as well. Even if you are rejecting a college, you still have to pay the amount out there. Okay, and that will be adjusted with the next upgrade that you are getting. Now, only candidates who make a decision of accept and freeze need to report to the allotted college before 1st of August 4 p.m. for round 1. So it's not for all of you. So don't think that I have went with accept and upgrade, ma'am, since I have accepted, should I go to report the college? No, you do not need to do that. And please remember, children who are going with accept and freeze option would have to definitely go to the college, report to the college. Please call up and then only go. Otherwise, you might be losing the track of the days if you're coming from outside Karnataka and all. So make sure you're calling and then coming. Okay, candidates who wish to cancel their seat can do so during the cancellation period only. Please exercise caution before cancelling your seat and take consent from your parents, guardian. Before doing so, seat once cancelled cannot be retrieved, claimed back again. So once you are cancelling a seat, you would not be getting it. And always remember, after round 1, 2 and 3, you will have seat cancellation period. You can cancel the seat if at all you have chosen accept and freeze. If at all you have chosen accept and upgrade, still you can cancel your fees during the cancellation period. You will get your money back. If you are not cancelling it during the cancellation period and you're going ahead with round 4, my dear children, that means you have when you're doing accept and freeze, now you're not going to the second round, right? But now when the other children would be reaching round 4 and that particular point of time you're thinking I'll cancel this seat, you cannot do it, you will not get your refund. So only until round 3 seat cancellation period you can do so. Remember that. And about all of it, all of the decision, as I said, I have made a separate video. Please watch it. This video is just to make you understand that if you're at all you have you are planning to not take a decision on any of the things that the college that is allotted to you, you will be out of the counseling process. So do not do that mistake. Second thing, if at all you come in these 3 categories of decision, you would have to pay the total amount. Okay, if at all you're not planning to join, you can cancel the seat during seat cancellation period, and that's all I think. And the time period is until 1st of August, so make sure you're doing it ASAP. Please report to the college. Only the people who have went with accept and freeze have to report to the college. None of the other people have to go and report. Please remember that. Okay, and if at all you're not allotted with any seat in this round, you can go ahead with the next round as well. Round 2 is for KKR category children. I hope that's clear. Okay, kudos to you. Now, if at all you have any questions around the counseling process, or if at all you want us to make any videos on something very particular, put it down in the comment section. Remember, we are here to help you out. And if at all you think that this video was helpful in some ways, do not forget to click on the like button. And for all the updates, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Wishing you all the best. Do not forget to smile. Bye-bye.